Greetings of the day, everyone. I'm Guneet.
And I am Nureet.
And we are from DCM International School and we have participated in ATL Fest 2022. Under the topic Kindness Gaming Zone, which has the theme of Kindness Matters. So, what I have seen these days is that teenagers are basically indulged in games which include violence, guns, shooting, and all that. But I really like the idea of kindness, and now we have prepared a game on Scratch, and Anureet will be explaining you that how this game works.
Greetings everyone, I am Nureet and I will tell you that how the games work. Firstly, we have to click on the green flag here. Now we see a Superman on the screen saying, I am Superman, I will help everyone who will in need. Now, let's start the game by press the key 1. Oh no, the accident happens and the boys say, please help me. But the people around it, rather than helping him, clicking the photos, and that is very sad thing. Now the Superman come, who will save the life of that boy. So control the Superman, we have to just add on the keys. Now, they just reached to the hospital and the doctors say that his condition was critical. Thanks to God that he reached on the time. And his parents also saying the doctor that thank you to save our single child. So by this, we can conclude that kindness matters. We have to be like that Superman who helps everyone in need rather than the people who are clicking the photos. So at end, I will say that kindness matters. We have to be kind and help everyone. Thank you and have a nice day.